Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the homie here with the 125, and it has no gas right now, so we gotta push it to the gas station. We got the other homie right there, Jesse, on 150, who stalled it. And he stalled it again. You gotta let me warm her up for you. Let me warm it up. She's all ready. We got that shit now. We're in the zone. I can't hear you. I know. Oh no, it's working. Cut here. Holy crap, we made it to the gas station. There he comes with the two-stroke. Hey, we got it working good at the end, dude.
Yeah. I was saying go faster. I was like trying to get me up the hill. I can tell it ain't. Oh.
My bad. Put in another 0.5. Filling up the freaking two strokes. Alright, perfect. The baby bottle.
Pouring up a deuce. Give her a little extra smoke.
I gave her just enough. She may need it. Hopefully that bit don't fall out. Yeah, shake that good. Bro, I have the habit of dropping my bike at gas stations, as you know in the freaking previous videos. She's gonna be a little boggy at first. Yo, dude, the freaking two-stroke. There's just nothing like a goddamn two-stroke. It's literally gotta be one of the best bikes in the world. My suspension is sagging a little bit. I might need to stiffen her up a little bit. Look at her. Maybe it's because Big Mama is on it, but she's sagging right now. Oh, there's a cop. Bro, that was a cop right there, dude. That was a cop right there, bro. Alright. That was a flippin' the popo, bro. Bro, shout out Big Mac Moto and that American, your helmet. It's vibey, dog. I don't know if the cop is coming or not. We're out of here, bro. Hey!
That was sketchy.
Turn your bikes off? Was that the cop coming towards us right there when we turned left, right?
3 cops or 4 cops sitting at a house. I don't know if it was a call or what.
Right here? They were sitting right there on the street.
No, yeah, I seen that, and I seen one coming, and then we took a right. But I'm saying before we went into here.
They could have been going there.
That wasn't a cop coming? That's why I was like, let's go left, bro, because I don't want to run into him. I was like, I knew this was here.
Oh, you meant coming down this way?
Yeah, I thought he was coming this way.
Lights on, right?
I just seen
I saw or like the headlights.
I seen headlights. I didn't want to risk it. I was like, bro, like, it's it.
Alright, then I guess we're gonna have to go through this way, ride for a little bit, then we'll come out.
Yeah, let's shred through here for a second and then come back out and fuck. It's so slippery, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I do catch traction, but like, I'm just sliding. Sorry. I think I roasted him. Did I roast you? Sorry, I'm sorry. It's so funny, bro. We're just trail riding. I'm on street tires. Sort of have no clue where we're going. But it's just fun to be out with your friends on bikes, like, and it's sort of crazy. Like, these are all my bikes, and like to be at this like point in life where like I got multiple bikes, You know, let the homies ride it, have some fun. I don't know, it's dope. The homie said there's a trailer park back here. And I was like, trailer park? That sounds interesting.
This way will take you to like a trailer park area.
A trailer park. Yes, sir. The homie's racing. Holy crap! All right. 1, 2, 3. Bro, I hit the biggest bump ever. Oh my god, that scared me, dog. Woo! Yes, sir. Hey, your turn.
Daily donuts.
Let's go. Hey, lean it more. There it goes. Let's go. Jesse did his first daily donut. Good shit, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, maybe my motor get a little. I'm just drifting out here, bro. Bro, I just see Big Mac Moto going through a puddle and I'm like, oh my god. Let's go. We all made it back in one piece. I love you, gang. Stay with me until next time. Peace. Yes, sir. Bro, the YZ suspension's like. Alright, how many times is it gonna take me?
Bro.
3 times?
4 kicks. 4 kicks. 4 kicks.
4 kicks?
4 kicks.
For you?
Abracadabra. Alright, watch how I do it, Jesse.
Yeah.
And
right
watch,
there.
watch
Lock it
when
in.
I give it throttle, because I think you're giving it throttle
Go
before
too
you
early.
even kick it.
Too early, yeah. I think I am too.
One kick, boy!